What's more special than Valentine's Day dinner? Valentine's Day breakfast. How can we make crepe breakfast even more special? Upgrade to buckwheat galette. With cured ham, melted cheese, and sunny egg, this classic savory crepe will make your healthy eating New Year's resolution feel easy. The base recipe is just 1 part buckwheat and 2 part water by volume, not by weight. That was a very messy mistake I made. You can use pure buckwheat flour. Just keep in mind buckwheat is gluten-free and breaks easily, since the batter doesn't bind to itself well. Mixing it with some all-purpose flour will make it stretchier and not tear as easily. It will also mellow out the flavor a little and is more newbie-friendly if you've never tried buckwheat, which has a pretty strong, distinctive flavor. If it's important for you to stay gluten-free, you can swap out part of the liquid with egg white, which is an excellent binding agent that is 90% water, so you can almost do an equal part swap. Up close, the egg white batter is visibly thicker than the other two, especially the pure buckwheat and water batter. This is the batter without egg white. This is with egg white. A little goes a long way here. Buckwheat flour can be commonly found in the health food or gluten-free aisle, but if your store doesn't have a hippie aisle, you can grind up Soba noodle as substitute. These noodles are made out of buckwheat with a little plain flour mixed in to help the noodles bind. They make pretty stretchy crepes that don't break easily. Food hacks aside, now to test the actual recipe batters. I'm using cooking spray and a non-stick pan to minimize difficulty. All 3 batters will set. I noticed bigger bubbles on the pure buckwheat and water batter. This is the half buckwheat, half all-purpose flour batter. And this is the buckwheat and egg white batter. Surprisingly smooth for gluten-free. Now just add any stuffing of your choice and fold up all 4 sides to make a pocket. I'm adding grated gruyere and an egg. You can throw in the parma ham here too if you like them warmed up a little. Smoked salmon, sausage, spinach and mushrooms would all be nice. This is a breakfast you can have for dinner. By the way, if sunny side up is too raw for you, you can steam poach the egg a little by putting a lid on. It'll still have a soft runny yolk, kinda like Eggs Benedict. These savory crepes are very popular in France, but somehow hardly seen in the US. Completely baffling. It is the perfect package of quick, easy, reasonably healthy, yet somehow indulgent. I've had these for dinner many days in a row. Of course, they're always in the Clean Plate Club. Perfect for impressing your special someone, even better for treating yourself. Make these and subscribe for more.